You've picked your broker. Now what? Setting up your account wrong can delay your trading by days. Or worse, get you stuck with limitations you didn't want. In this video, I'm walking you through the exact step-by-step process. Set up your Alpaca account, enable options trading, fund your account, and start paper trading today. This is episode 4 of Zero to Trader Academy. Let's do it.
First, you need to choose your account type. Here's what each one means. Individual account, this is what 95% of you will use. It's in your name only, simplest to set up. Perfect for learning. Joint account, for couples or business partners. Both people have equal access. Don't start with this, add it later if needed. Entity account, for LLCs, corporations, or trusts. Only use this if you already have a legal entity set up. Most beginners don't need this. IRA account, retirement account with tax advantages. Great for long-term investing, but you can't day trade. Not what we're doing here. For this course, select individual account. Keep it simple. Step 2, verify your identity. This is required by law, every broker must do this. You'll need your social security number. A government-issued ID, driver's license or passport. Proof of address, utility bill or bank statement. The verification usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it's instant. Sometimes it takes 24 hours. Don't panic if it's not immediate. Pro tip, make sure the name on your account matches your ID exactly. Even small typos can cause delays.
Quick story, I once typed my middle name wrong. Took 3 extra days to fix. Just double-check everything before you hit submit.
Now, enable options trading. This is critical, you can't trade options without approval. On Alpaca, go to Settings, Trading Permissions, Options. You'll see 3 levels. Level 1, Covered Calls Only. 2 Limited. Level 2, Long Calls and Puts. This is what you want. Level 3, Spreads and Advanced Strategies. Not yet. Select Level 2. You'll answer a few questions about your experience and income. Be honest, but know that beginner with some knowledge is the right answer. Approval is usually instant on Alpaca. Some brokers take days. Another reason I recommend Alpaca for beginners. Time to fund your account. You have 3 options. Bank transfer, ACH, free, takes 2 to 3 business days. Best for most people. Wire transfer, faster, same day, but costs $25 to $30. Only use this if you're funding over $10,000. Crypto transfer, Alpaca accepts Bitcoin and Ethereum. Converts to dollars automatically. Cool feature, but not necessary. For the Zero to Trader Academy, I recommend starting with $500 to $2,000. Enough to learn, not enough to panic about. Remember, you can always add more later. Start small.
I started with $500. Lost the first 100 learning. Glad it wasn't 5,000. Start small, learn fast, add later.
Before you trade real money, use paper trading. Alpaca gives you $100,000 in fake money to practice with. Here's why this matters. Learn the platform without risk. Test your strategies. Build confidence before going live. I recommend paper trading for at least 1 week. Take 10 trades on paper. If you're profitable, go live. If not, keep practicing. No shame in paper trading. The pros do it too. Let's recap your homework. 1. Open an individual account on Alpaca. 2. Complete identity verification. 3. Enable Level 2 options trading. 4. Fund your account, start with $500 to $2,000. 5. Turn on paper trading and take 10 practice trades. In episode 5, we're diving into support, resistance, and trend lines. The foundation of technical analysis. You don't want to miss it.
If this helped, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.